All right, made it to San Antonio yesterday from Carlsbad, about an 8-hour drive. We were gonna stop on the way for an overnighter, but we decided to push on through, and we got to San Antonio right at rush hour, but it wasn't that big a deal. We're getting ready to head out to FIESTA weekend there. So today's Friday. Here it's gonna be really crowded tomorrow, so we're gonna get it done today and then see where it leads us tomorrow. So we get to add a couple more stickers, New Mexico and Texas, and work our way across. Good chicken on the stick. Want a bite?
Yes.
Boy, we had not planned on getting into this in downtown San Antonio, but huge festival this weekend. Totally by accident. We just hit up the Frosty Dog for a cold beverage, a hurricane, and a
Margarita.
Muggsy just had some water. And we are starting off touring the Riverwalk with a bang.
Cheers.
Pretty cool. First time here. And I like what we're seeing so far. Gonna add New Mexico to our map. Come on out with me and watch us stick it on the wall.
Watch the dog.
go.
All right, and just in a couple more days, we'll be doing that one right there.
Because we are right here, going to here, and then to here.
Wow.
Texas has given us a nice welcome with a nice springtime thunderstorm. You know, the rig really needed a rinse anyway, so
It did.
hopefully this does the trick.
Bugs? Are you worried? Yeah, a little, huh? Sorry. There it is. Do you think you got it?
Mm-hmm. Don't forget, when you leave for the day, always get in the habit of turning the water off, because you never know what might happen. Huh. Tim already turned it off. Seen a lot of RVs with dripping water. Even though we've had it for a year, I still don't want to take the chance, because who knows what might happen. Just safer to turn it off and turn it back on.
Putting all my hope in you, I will wait upon you, Lord. And just because I'm in this pain, it doesn't mean I can't be whole again. Faithful to the very end, I will wait upon you, Lord. I will wait upon you, Lord. And I will wait upon you, Lord. Even when I cannot find the answers why, I still count on you. Walking with you every day, even when I can't see your face. Oh, let patience have its
His cot inside this darkened room could be brought outside to gain fresh air. The northern extension on the east end of the low barracks served as the kitchen for the garrison. That's Santa Anna's offer of surrender at discretion in Castaneda House, which had been covered over and reinforced for use as a heavy gun position. Equipment was inside the building to aid the defenders' last-ditch stand. At the southern end of the flag continued to fly, and a number of Mexican pilots. Lieutenant Torres is one of the many Mexican
gates. I can see the light is still shining through.
Just got down to downtown San Antonio, heading over to the country's oldest bar, the Buckhorn. It's a bar and a museum.
The oldest saloon in Texas.
Oh yeah.
Hello. Good, how are you? Okay, we're giving it a shot. We're trying a flight of whiskeys, top row here, in downtown San Antonio, so we'll see how this goes. We really enjoyed the Riverwalk, all the restaurants down there. We got here during the festival So there was a lot of people. Parking was really expensive down there, but they say they jack up the prices for parking when the festival comes to town. It's a 10-day deal. We had a nice dinner down there a couple nights ago on the river, and then did the evening boat ride, which was very informative and very nice. Last night we just stayed here at the camp, had steaks. Wrapping up a great stay here at San Antonio KOA. Great place. Nice pool, lots of room. Not super crowded, but we're not really into the season yet. It's still only early May. Just met a gentleman who was on a Harley, lives in Australia. He came over to California, bought the bike. He's touring the United States for about 6 months, hitting Sturgis, and then he's gonna get the bike shipped back to Australia. Pretty cool story. They also have a little pond for fishing. It's catch and release. I guess there's some bass, and I don't know if there's trout out here in Texas or not. We were off to Port Arnassus today, about a 3-hour trip. Not sure if we're gonna take the old highway down or the new highway. I'm kind of leaning towards the old highway so we can just kind of see more of the countryside, maybe at a slower pace. And then up to Jamaica Beach from there. But San Antonio has been great. Gonna dump some gray water first to make sure we don't have any leaks in this long hose all the way over to the clean out. All right, everything looks good. Time to let the black water rip. Always do the black first and then finish with the grays. Hanging out waiting for a package. It's supposed to be here at 10:30.
Now it's 10:30?
10:15 now. All right, cool. We were hanging out because UPS tracker showed we were getting a package at 10:30, by 10:30, and it's 10:24, so good job, UPS. Let me duck in there and make sure it's our package. Boom, there it is. Looks like it's had a rough ride. All right, cool. Thanks, Lippert. Thanks, UPS. Finish our breakfast and hit the road to Port Arnassus on the beach RV park, which is just to the east of Corpus Christi on the Gulf. Looking forward to getting to our first coast and then to the second coast. Okay, just got our Lippert Tire Link LCD display. This is going to bypass my phone so that I don't have to rely on my phone connecting to the tires. This will be connected all the time. So I need to pair it with my trailer and see how that goes. All right, that was easy. I just hit the pair button on my Tire Link transmitter and it found it already. So now I just need to set it up on what kind of rig we have. So we're gonna go fifth wheel, tandem axle. Would you like to add the spare tire now? No. That's what's nice about this little unit is you can charge it at night and then just stick it up here for travel so you don't have a bunch of cords running around. I'm not sure if that's where I'm gonna keep it. But it is easy to read. I just got so much stuff on the dash already. We're gonna go with that for now. Thanks for catching this video. Stay tuned with us in this next part of our Coast to Coast series. From there, we go up to Jamaica Beach and then continue eastward from there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Share this video. Check out our playlists. Give us a thumbs up. And we will see you in the next video.
Mugsy, is it treat time? Is it treat time after a good bath? Come on. Over here. How far? Come on. A little higher. Come on. Treat time. Treat, 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 treat. Come on. There you go. There you go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go get it. Good boy. Good retrieve.